Hello, welcome to another pronunciation lesson on Learn British English Free on YouTube. My name is Chris. This one was suggested by AZ, user AZ as on YouTube on one of my previous videos. Thanks for this. I'll be looking at some similar words which begin with the letter W. Please have a look in the description. I've written the words and the examples there, or read the captions on the screen to help you if you would like that. Let's start with the W sound. Have a look, please. W. Lips together, like that. The first word, the verb, want. Want. It's a short vowel sound, oh, like hot, want. Second, won't. Won't. We change from o to o. Want, won't, as in will not, I won't do it. The next, went. Went. Wider mouth, went. And the fourth word, the season of the year, winter. Winter. Won't, the diphthong sound, the others short vowel sounds, want, went, winter. Example sentences. Remember, these don't make sense, they're just for pronunciation. I wonder where William won't want to wander this winter. I wonder where William won't want to wander this winter. This winter I went where I wanted, even though Wendy won't want to. This winter I went where I wanted, even though Wendy won't want to. Winter went, whilst we won't want. Winter went whilst we won't want. The second time very fast, so you can hear how a native speaker would say it in fluent speech. Thank you to AZ, user AZ or AS on YouTube for the suggestion. I hope you found this useful. My name is Chris. I'm the teacher on Learn British English Free on YouTube, the British English page on Facebook. The website is www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. We're also on Instagram, and I teach privately on Skype if you want to do that. Please look on the YouTube page for this lesson. In the notes below, you can find the links, the contact details for everything that you need. Thank you for your time. Good luck with your English pronunciation. I will see you soon. Bye for now.